Welcome to today's video about foods that should never be combined with chia seeds. Are you unknowingly combining harmful foods every morning? What if your seemingly healthy chia seed smoothie is actually damaging your digestion? What if the snack you just had increased your risk of developing kidney stones or experiencing extreme bloating? Chia seeds are high in nutrients, however they might be harmful when combined with certain foods. They can cause a variety of health problems, including severe bloating and nutritional loss. These blunders could be destroying your health without you even noticing it until you take another bite. You should be aware of the 9 foods to avoid when using chia seeds. Stay tuned till the finish because some of these may surprise you. And believe me, number 1 is something you probably consume every day. Could your everyday routine be making you ill? Let us find out. Alright, let's get into the meals that don't go well with chia seeds, starting with the highest fiber fruits. Pairing chia seeds with fiber-rich fruits may appear to be a healthy option. However, it has the potential to overwhelm your digestive system. Chia seeds are already high in fiber, and when paired with foods such as apples, pears, and bananas, the excess fiber can inhibit digestion, resulting in bloating, gas, or constipation. Without adequate water, this combination can build a thick gel in your gut, making digestion even more difficult. Beyond fiber, certain chemicals found in fruits can interfere with vitamin absorption. Apples and pears contain polyphenols, which may impair the body's capacity to absorb vital minerals like calcium and iron. Bananas, on the other hand, are abundant in resistant starch, which may further slow digestion. When combined with chia seeds, the natural sugars in fruits play an important function. When mixed with chia seeds, they can ferment in the gut, causing discomfort and potentially gut microbial imbalances. This might be especially challenging for people who have sensitive digestion or irritable bowel syndrome. To avoid these concerns, soak chia seeds in water before eating them and drink enough of fluids to balance your fiber intake. If you enjoy fruits with chia, choose low-fiber options such as berries. Pair them with probiotic-rich foods for improved digestion. Second, milk chia seeds absorb liquid and swell. When mixed with milk, it has a gel-like consistency and digestion can become sluggish, resulting in bloating and discomfort. The problem is not only with the texture. Beta-caine, a protein found in milk, breaks down into beta-caso and morphin-7 during digestion. This chemical has been associated to inflammation, gut irritation, and digestive difficulties, particularly in dairy-sensitive individuals. The high fiber content of chia seeds can inhibit digestion, and when combined with milk proteins, the gut may struggle to handle them efficiently. If you don't drink enough water, you may have cramps, bloating, and even constipation. Furthermore, lactose, the natural sugar in milk, can cause additional discomfort in those with lactose intolerance, exacerbating intestinal irritation. Another risk is calcium absorption. Chia seeds contain fatty acid, an antinutrient that binds to minerals such as calcium, limiting complete absorption. This involves ingesting them with milk. One of the richest calcium sources may impair the body's ability to absorb it properly. Instead, choose a 2-milk or plant-based substitute such as almond or coconut milk to prevent these potential problems while still reaping the advantages of chia seeds. The third option is raw vegetables. Mixing chia seeds with certain foods can cause unanticipated stomach troubles, and one of the most common blunders is matching them with raw veggies. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in the stomach, but raw vegetables contain fiber and natural substances that may impede digestion. This combination can impede the stomach's ability to metabolize food efficiently, resulting in bloating, discomfort, even constipation. Raffinose is found in cruciferous plants such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. When a sugar ferments in the gut, producing gas, is combined with chia seeds, which already expand and add bulk. Digestion slows dramatically, exacerbating bloating. Furthermore, uncooked vegetables contain high levels of oxalates, naturally occurring chemicals that bind to minerals such as calcium, limiting absorption and raising the risk of kidney stones over time. Chia seeds contain oxalates. Consuming both may not be beneficial for persons who are prone to kidney problems. To avoid these issues, prepare vegetables before consuming them with chia seeds. Light steaming or roasting softens stiff fibers and lowers the impact of anti-nutrients, making digestion easier. Drinking plenty of water can also help minimize stomach discomfort when eating high-fiber foods like chia seeds. Caffeine comes in fourth. Drinking coffee or tea with chia seeds may not be the greatest option. Chia's strong fiber content delays digestion, whereas caffeine speeds it up. This mismatch can result in bloating, discomfort, or mild constipation. Aside from caffeine, other substances found in tea and coffee, such as tannins and oxalates, can interfere with nutritional absorption. Chia seeds are high in calcium, iron, and magnesium, but these chemicals can bind to them, making it difficult for your body to absorb critical minerals over time. If you don't get enough from other sources, this could have an influence on your bone health and lead to deficiencies. Hydration is another issue. Chia absorbs a large amount of water, forming a gel in your stomach. When combined with diuretics like coffee or tea, it can cause dehydration and aggravate gastric discomfort. This can be even more problematic if you eat chia seeds dry, as they may absorb moisture from your digestive tract. Instead, to get the most out of both, space them out, drink your coffee first, then drink some water, and then eat chia with something nourishing. You avoid digestive difficulties while reaping their individual benefits. Number 5. High-protein food. Eating too much protein with chia seeds can impair digestion and nutritional absorption. Chia seeds naturally contain a lot of fiber, which delays digestion. Adding protein-rich foods such as meat, eggs, or whey protein can exacerbate the problem. To properly break down things, the body needs an adequate supply of digestive enzymes and water. Excessive fiber and protein can cause bloating, stomach pain, and even constipation. Another difficulty is that chia seeds absorb a large amount of water. This forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing protein digestion and making it more difficult for the body to break down amino acids efficiently. If you combine chia seeds with a high-protein diet, you may not experience the rapid muscle healing or energy increase that you anticipate. Aside from digestion, several proteins contain chemicals that can interfere with chia nutritional absorption. Dairy proteins, for example, can lower the amount of omega-3 your body absorbs from chia seeds. If you want to get the most out of your nutrients, spread it out rather than eating everything at once. Try balancing protein and fiber throughout the day to reduce digestive pain and ensure appropriate nutrient absorption. Number 6. Spicy foods. Chia seeds are well known for their high fiber and omega-3 content, but pairing them with spicy dishes may not be the greatest option. Chia's high fiber content slows digestion, whereas hot compounds like capsaicin might irritate the stomach lining. This combination may cause bloating, acid reflux, or stomach pain, particularly in people with sensitive digestion. Beyond the heat factor, many spicy recipes contain acidic ingredients such as vinegar or citrus, which can irritate the stomach when combined with chia, resulting in an expanding gel-like texture. The body needs appropriate hydration to metabolize both fiber and spice efficiently. However, when these two are combined without enough water, they may cause constipation or cramping instead of smooth digestion. Some spices contain chemicals that can inhibit vitamin absorption. For example, increased chili eating has been associated to lower iron absorption. While chia seeds require appropriate minerals to provide their benefits, consuming both together on a daily basis may have an impact on overall nutrient balance for individuals who enjoy both. It is best to segregate their intake. Enjoy chia in smoothies or porridge in the morning and save the spicy meal for later. This allows the body to process each without excessive exertion. 7th, high oxalate foods. Choosing the incorrect foods for your diet can have unintended repercussions. Some foods contain chemicals that inhibit nutrient absorption. When combined with chia seeds, they can pose health risks. Oxalates, which occur naturally in foods such as spinach, beets, and almonds, are one of the most common culprits. These can bind with calcium, increasing the danger of kidney stones, particularly for people who are predisposed to them. Chia seeds contain oxalates, thus pairing them with high oxalate foods may exacerbate the problem. It's not just oxalates. Phytates present in nuts and seeds can inhibit the absorption of vital elements such as iron and zinc. Adding chia to foods that already contain phytates may reduce the body's ability to absorb these nutrients. This leads to inadequacies over time. Excessive fiber consumption is another cause for concern. Chia seeds swell and absorb water, and when combined with fiber-rich foods, they can produce bloating, gas, and constipation. To reap the most advantages, balance your meals rather than combining chia seeds with oxalate-rich foods. Calcium-rich choices such as yogurt or almond milk can help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Small changes can make a significant effect in how your body absorbs these superfoods. Carbonated beverages are next at number 8. Mixing chia seeds with fizzy beverages may sound like a fun idea, but it can cause bloating, pain, and digestive trouble. The mixture produces a fizzy reaction because chia seeds expand by absorbing liquid and carbonation releases gas. This might cause air to become trapped in your stomach, leaving you feeling uncomfortable or gassy. Furthermore, most carbonated beverages include phosphoric acid, which might interfere with calcium absorption. Chia seeds are naturally high in calcium, therefore eating them together may lessen their advantages. Furthermore, many sodas and energy drinks are heavy in sugar or artificial sweeteners, which can trigger inflammation or digestive issues. Another problem when combined with fiber-rich meals is the high oxalate content of chia seeds and some soft beverages, particularly dark sodas. Oxalates bond to minerals such as calcium and, if ingested frequently, contribute to kidney stone formation. This combo may raise the danger for persons who are prone to kidney difficulties. Chia seeds work best when combined with water, herbal teas, or smoothies to improve digestion and nutritional absorption. Instead, this permits them to achieve a gel-like consistency without retaining extra gas or interfering with mineral absorption. Alcohol comes in at number 9. Combining alcohol and fiber-rich foods is not always a good idea, especially when the food absorbs moisture and expands in the stomach. Chia seeds accomplish exactly that. When exposed to fluids, they form a gel-like consistency. When used with alcohol, this might impede digestion and cause bloating or discomfort. Alcohol dehydrates the body, which may interfere with how these seeds pass through the digestive tract, raising the risk of constipation or stomach pains. Aside from digestion, there's another worry. Chia seeds include oxalates, which are naturally occurring chemicals, which in excess can lead to kidney stone formation. Many alcoholic beverages, including beer and certain wines, contain oxalates, which can be hazardous for persons who have kidney problems. Additionally, both chia seeds and alcohol have blood-thinning properties. While modest intake may not be harmful, high consumption may raise the risk of bleeding or bruising. The body, particularly for individuals on blood thinners, need adequate water to adequately break down fiber. Because alcohol removes water from cells, drinking it with chia seeds may make you feel lethargic or bloated. To avoid these effects, it is advisable to keep fiber-rich foods isolated from dehydrating beverages such as alcohol. And that concludes today's video. Now it is your time. Are you consuming any of these foods containing chia seeds? If so, have you seen any differences in your health? Perhaps bloating, pain, or anything unexpected? Please share your experience in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment. Also, please let us know which parts of the video were most helpful to you. Your input encourages us to develop more content like this. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay well and informed, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.